it's Gogo.
And it's Kay, and we're checking in from Fez, Morocco. So it's a bit of a rainy morning, but we've had a bit of breakfast in the Riyadh.
It was just a starter, it wasn't a breakfast. Just so you know.
Definitely wasn't enough for Gogo. But we've wandered down the streets and we're going to see some different sights. We're going to taste lots of amazing street food today.
So where are we now? Where are we standing?
So we are at the Museum Nejjarine of woodwork. Look at the door. The door itself is absolutely amazing. You see this door? Gökhan isn't a museum kind of person, as you will know. But we're going to have a look in. It's like literally a couple of dirhams to get in. A couple of dirhams to get in, and we're going to go in and have a little look around. I've convinced him. So
I'm just going to ask him if it's okay to take the camera inside.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So a ticket costs how much?
40 dirham, 20 each.
20 dirham each.
Yeah.
And I've actually been in here before, but I mean, just to appreciate the wood itself, I think is worth it. All the way around. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, inside the rooms.
Inside the rooms, no. That's great. Thank you. Oh, so we were going the wrong way, even though I've been here before.
Yeah.
Obviously, I didn't remember that. So yeah, so it does say one direction.
Yeah, and no rooms, no photo inside the rooms.
Look at that face. Obviously, we wouldn't do that. But just look at the size of this building.
Just
Wood.
Yeah.
Do you find it interesting, the wood? I like the tiles on the floor.
Yeah.
So the tiles are good on the floor. So it's different types of wood that they've got in the rooms. But it's the building itself.
Building itself is so...
I think is amazing. And look at all the carvings on the arches. I don't know how much you can see. I love this style. So this is the carpentry tools that they use. I was just asking Gökhan what the scales were for.
They're swings.
Swings?
Yeah, we're gonna sit on them and then someone's gonna swing.
Hopefully I'll sit on when Gökhan hasn't demolished a load of food, because otherwise I'd probably go flying up to the top of the roof. Because yesterday, if you haven't seen the vlog from yesterday, go and watch it, because Gogo ate one hell of a lot of food. So in here we've got different tools, we've got trades of crafts using wood.
Sorry to interrupt, but Gogo ate loads yesterday because he had to drive 10 hours in the mountain.
We're not getting back to the 10-hour drive in the mountains. Some more tools by the looks of things in here.
Yeah, looks like the old school tools that we seen in the Guinness Museum in Dublin.
In Dublin.
Do you remember?
Yeah. So you probably think, well, they're just skipping by everything. This is kind of the way usually that I do museums. I don't read all the information. I just think if I want to see the read the information, I can look online, and I just like to look at the actual building more than anything. And this is an amazing building. Darling, do you know how old this building is? Oh.
What did I do?
Yeah, I can tell you're guilty of moving the scales because all of a sudden they were standing still. Gokan walks past and they're no longer standing still. Also, this is household objects here.
1711.
So 1711. The view from up here is amazing. So we've got the view of the tower of the mosque and just the rooftops. Absolutely fantastic. And I think we're going to go up to the top of that hill to the tombs and see some of the old walls as well. It really is a good view from up here. Really good view. It is.
Hello, it's Gogo. We are back down.
We're back out. We'll give you a better look at the door from a bit further away, but what did you think of it?
Well, it was pretty good. I highly recommend. Come and visit this place. I mean, it's gonna be like 317, but on the top rooftop, you got really good picture.
And don't get me wrong, like you can spend a lot longer in there and go through everything. This is just the way that we like to see a museum. And I didn't want to spend...
This man's hungry.
This man's hungry, so we off to find some food. But I want to give you a better look of the door. Stopped raining. Yay! What's in there? Look at this water fountain as well. The door is amazing. So that's where we were, right up at the top there. What's in there? Soup?
Another soup Nejjarine.
Soup Nejjarine. And that takes you back to the Blue Gate if you were to go up there, it says. So, let's have a look. Thank you. Just look at the detail. So this is a door, but I seem to kind of remember that it's not the entrance. I seem to think that the entrance is somewhere else. This is a man selling all of these herbal things, I think. So herbal medicines. He's got lots of different herbal medicine. Herbal medicine? Yeah, oui. Merci. Lots of traditional shoes.
Food books.
Moroccan food books.
Yeah. Well, I see it's good now, so I can actually spot the food. Oh, who wants them? Someone ask for them, innit?
Your brother.
I know. I'm gonna get some for you, bro. I know you are.
I don't know if the mosque must be closed, but this is...
The mosque is open for the praying times, so people don't go in and out all the time, so it don't disturb the cleanliness and...
okay. Just look at the detail. The tiles. This must be some street food here. Because it had a thing for date.
That's what I was heading, smelling the street food, and you told me to come this way.
The Haram al-Idrisa. So what does that mean, darling? The Haram al-Idrisa. Look at that door. Door is absolutely amazing. This is like a little market area. So we'll have to come back when it's open.
Yeah.
Look at these little streets. And the beams up here.
Guess what is your favorite word? Don't zoom in. Don't zoom in. If I see any more stairs. Oh my god, I need some food. She wants a sightseeing. Food, sightseeing. Food, sightseeing. Should go for food. No, I'm not gonna lie, this is a really good place. So, where's she gone? She was standing here. Well, I guess. Well, I just cursed your mama on the video. I was recording it.
You're loving all the steps, aren't you?
That's what I was complaining. Watch the video.
So this is like an Islamic school.
It's a madrasa.
Madrasa. It's an Islamic school. And these little rooms are where they would have done the
See
prayer
that?
and things.
That door thing, the archway. Imam stands there.
Who's Imam?
Imam is the head of the mosque.
Right.
She stands there facing the wall.
The wall.
And everyone else standing behind him for
Right.
the praying times.
Right.
So they have to follow the imam.
Ah, okay. Just look at the detail.
What wood is this? A marble? No, no marble. It's like white. You know, white
Stone.
stone. Yeah, big stone. But it's like.
Look at the floor. I love the floor.
Do you want that? You know.
So they're like little rooms where they would have had the school going on.
Yeah.
And that possibly might be better for you with the light on.
I think this was.
Is there a light on? Oh, we've got a flashing light now. We don't want a flashing light.
She's gonna learn.
She's gonna learn sooner or
I
later.
think these ones here. I don't know. I haven't read anything. But these ones looks like
She's gonna learn.
students' accommodation.
Yeah.
That looks like. I don't know without asking anyone. Because these are like so small rooms. Enough for a bed and
Accommodation.
light, electric wires. Better get out. Yeah, it looks like.
Actually, this is about the size of our Riyadh room,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
And less stairs.
Yeah.
We could always ask to transfer here.
Yeah.
But I've come here 5 years ago. I'll try, we're not that technical, but I'll try and put a photo up on the screen of when I was here 5 years ago. But it certainly is amazing. It's beautiful, beautiful building. Hold your time. But every now and again, we need to stop and take a photo, don't we?
We have to. Well, this is the part of the life, isn't it? Part of the having fun. Catch.
Oh!
That's the face I love. I love it.
He loves pranking me.
Is it food o'clock yet?
Food o'clock. I'm actually hungry, so you must be starving.
Thank you.
Next food we find, we eat in.
Yes. I want a chickpea sandwich.
Chickpea sandwich. I just want a drink.
I want a samosa.
Really need a drink.
Is it? No.
So Fez actually has two paths to it. It's got the new city and it's got the old city, which is surrounded in walls all the way around. We will show you more of the walls when we go adventuring out and about. And the walls have got different sort of doors going in. This one's called, I know I'm going to be pronouncing this wrong. I just know. Oh my goodness me, look at the little kitten. A little tiny kitten. But this one here is called Bab Sidi Lued. Have I said that correctly? Bab Sidi Lued.
Yeah, you did.
And there's another gateway over there. Can you see the gateway over there, Bab?
Yeah, I saw that was the blue gate, the one we got in last night. No, it doesn't look like it.
How you know you're in the blue gate is because it's green in the inside and blue on the outside, but that looks like another gate. And that's kind of taking you more out of the Medina.
You're telling me the green and blue inside.
He's colourblind. so that won't mean anything to him at all. So that's back in the Medina that way, and this is just a nice square, a lovely square, a nice square with Morgue over there. The mosque tower you can see over there. The minaret, that's correct. I knew the word for that, but I'd forgotten it. The mosque minaret.
We have them in Turkey as well, but these ones are square, as you can see.
Yeah.
The ones in Turkey are round and
Why
gone
is that?
pointy. I don't know. I never looked at it because I never thought we would get a mosque towers like this one has got two, like one big one and one small one.
Is that the same mosque?
Yeah, I don't know. There must be a different mosque.
Yeah.
And all you can see is speakers on the top. If you can, well, you can't see it too far away. But I'll put the picture on from the top one. Hold on.
He loves his zoom.
Yeah, we can put this picture on.
Yeah.
When the prayer time,
Yeah.
the calling for the praying comes out from the speakers. I don't know if you heard this morning about like 5 o'clock, 5:20 or something like that.
When you were snoring, yeah?
No, I was listening to the praying,
Oh.
so I wasn't snoring, but I was pretending like. But I was actually laughing apparently this morning.
Yes, he was. He was laughing in his sleep. There's another mosque tower over there, another minaret over there.
Yeah. I mean, I come from Turkey. I've seen so many mosques, but this close to each other, it's amazing. Like so many mosques like this close to each other. Like there's one in here. Next door there's another mosque, bigger one.
Yeah.
But why there's a small one and why there's a bigger one?
Now it's going to be your decision if we go this way, wandering up there, or we go back into...
No, we better go this way and get lost.
This way and get lost?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
You just missed it.
Missed Gogo dancing in the back alley.
No, I wasn't dancing.
Where are you taking me?
Radi.
Ready?
I don't know. I'm taking you to the back alley.
I'm not sure, but...
You're not sure.
I'm not sure. We're having a wander, aren't we?
Yeah. Oh, they're making shoes in here.
Making shoes?
Yeah. Looks like one way or another.
Oh,
Well, the reason we are here, she didn't know where we were going.
So we're just
That's
getting
the reason
lost.
we are here. But
Look at these little streets.
like, that's what I'm saying. I'm glad she didn't know where we were going because
Look at the little streets. Look at the doors.
it's like, imagine you live in these two buildings and one man, one woman, they fell in love. They can see from window to window.
He's such a romantic. For the cats.
Yeah. He's going somewhere else.
Got somebody's house.
Seriously?
What?
So
Gogo's taking photos.
just incredible this backside. And you point dead end, that's what you think, you just come to dead end. And then it goes to the left.
Somebody's house?
No.